Welcome to Joey's Curiosity. If you think high-level competitive math is just about rigid timelines, dry formulas, and exhausting calculations that take all the magic out of learning, get ready to have your mind completely changed. In this video, we step into a wizard's workshop to solve a brilliant Math Kangaroo Level 9-10 puzzle using pure logical thinking, creativity, and a clever mental math trick rather than mindless rote memorization. Let's get right to the quiz. Luna, the wizard, has 5 magical dragon breath candles of the exact same size. She lights the first one first. When only 1/4 of it remained, she lit the second one. When 1/4 of that remained, she lit the third one, and so on. Candles burn at the same speed along their entire length. One candle will burn in 4 minutes. How long did it take from the moment she lit the first candle until all 5 candles are completely burned down? A. 16 minutes 40 seconds. B. 16 minutes 12 seconds. C. 16 minutes. D. 15 minutes 20 seconds. E. 15 minutes. This is the brief on the Dragon Breath Candles math puzzle. Luna the wizard has 5 magical candles that each take exactly 4 minutes to burn. But whenever a candle has exactly 1/4 of its life left, she uses it to light the next one. We're going to figure out how long it takes all 5 to burn out using a simple mental math trick, avoiding that confusing overlap. To solve this without crazy timelines, let's break it down step by step. First, let's establish our baseline. That very first candle is lit at 0 and burns for its entire 4-minute lifespan. Think of it like a relay race. The first runner runs their full lap, setting our initial time. Second, we figure out the overlap time. Since she lights the next candle with 1/4 left, let's do some quick mental math. 1/4 of 4 minutes is exactly 1 minute. So what does this mean for our stopwatch? Well, it means for exactly 1 minute, 2 candles are burning at the exact same time. Finally, we calculate the new time added. Because the second candle shares 1 minute with the first, it only adds 3 minutes of brand new time to our clock. The remaining 4 candles work the exact same way. 4 candles, each adding 3 minutes, is 12 minutes. Add that to our 4-minute baseline, and boom, we get 16 minutes total. By simply calculating the new time added rather than the total burning time, a tricky overlap puzzle turns into basic addition, revealing it takes exactly 16 minutes for all 5 candles to burn out. So how are you going to use this awesome overlap trick to absolutely crush your next brain teaser? Thanks for watching. We have a lot of exciting content coming up, so make sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications. Don't forget to like and comment to let me know you're here. See you in the next one.